Concluded FTA talks and aim to double bilateral trade in the next 5 years. The pact is expected to be signed in about 3 months. It will give zero-duty access to all of India's exports in New Zealand. In return, India will offer New Zealand duty-free or reduced duty access on about 70% of its tariff lines, covering roughly 95% of current bilateral trade. Furniture, wood products, kiwis, apples, coking coal and metal scrap are likely to become cheaper in India. However, sensitive items like dairy, coffee, onions, sugar, spices, edible oils and rubber have been kept out of the deal to protect domestic producers. Well, here's the Commerce Minister.
It's also our third FTA with a Five Eyes nation: Australia, UK and now New Zealand. We are soon going to launch discussions for the terms of reference with Canada also. And we are already at an advanced stage in our discussions with the USA. See tremendous potential for doubling this trade in the next 5 years.
India and New Zealand have announced the conclusion of negotiations for a free trade agreement. Both the countries aim to sign a trade pact in the next 2 to 3 months and double trade from the current $2.4 billion in 2024. India and the European Union are also in talks for a free trade agreement, which are currently at an advanced stage. Both the sides are looking to conclude it at the earliest. Now, India's FTAs with Mauritius, Australia, UAE and the EFTA bloc have already been operationalized, and Oman's FTA is likely to be operationalized in the next 3 months. The FTA with the UK is expected to be ratified next year. The 7 FTAs which have been concluded by India in the recent past aim to mitigate the adverse impact of US tariffs and geopolitical uncertainty. Now, the bilateral trade with FTA partners Australia, UAE, Mauritius and the EFTA bloc collectively is around $150 billion, and India is aiming to increase its bilateral trade and also its exports, particularly of labor-intensive products, as far as reaching more and more geographies is concerned.
Many thanks.